Have you ever heard of loud budgeting? It's a term that's been making some noise lately, particularly on social media. But what exactly is it, and how can it impact your financial health? Well, let's dive into the details. Loud budgeting, contrary to its name, doesn't involve shouting about your finances from the rooftops. Instead, it's about openly expressing a frugal mindset and prioritizing financial well-being over excessive spending. In a world where we often equate financial success with luxury and extravagance, loud budgeting champions the idea of living within one's means and aligning spending habits with personal goals. This trend is a departure from the previous trend of quiet luxury, where individuals would silently spend, often beyond their means, to keep up with societal expectations. Loud budgeting, on the other hand, encourages people to be transparent about their financial realities and to make informed decisions about their expenses. It's gained popularity as a way for people to feel empowered and less alone in their financial situations. After all, talking about money can be taboo, and many people struggle with feelings of isolation when dealing with financial stress. Loud budgeting helps to break down these barriers and create a supportive community where people can share their financial wins and challenges. However, like any trend, it's important not to follow it blindly. There are potential downsides to loud budgeting. For instance, it might lead to alienating friends who don't share the same mindset, or it could cause you to miss out on experiences and personal connections due to a strict adherence to frugality. So how can you strike a balance? It's all about using loud budgeting as a tool, not a rule. It can be an opportunity to reassess your relationship with money, identify areas where you might be overspending, and set realistic financial goals. But it's also important to remember that your financial decisions should align with your personal values and lifestyle. In summary, loud budgeting is a trend that encourages financial transparency and frugality. It can be a powerful tool for improving financial well-being and fostering a supportive community, but it should be approached thoughtfully to avoid potential drawbacks. Use it as a chance to align your spending habits with your personal goals, and remember that it's okay to prioritize experiences and personal connections alongside financial stability. And that's a wrap on loud budgeting, a trend that's making some noise in the world of personal finance. It's a fresh perspective on how we view and manage our money, and while it may not be for everyone, it certainly offers some food for thought on the path to financial well-being.